Hey guys, I'm at Disneyland. I don't know if this is how I'm going to start my vlog, but hello, I'm at Disneyland. Tomorrow I leave to Orlando. Oh, also, I'm wearing one of my new wigs. Wait, I literally get distracted so fucking easy. I literally get sidetracked and I'm just like, I think of one thing or say one thing, and I just go like back and forth. But okay, anyways, tomorrow I leave to EDC Orlando. I can't believe I'm fucking going. I need burp. But tomorrow I leave. I'm really fucking excited. Like, it's my first time going to Orlando. I'm flying by myself. Kind of scary. I'm really scared that I'm scared that I'm gonna fucking like miss my flight or something. I'm literally getting there so fucking early, and yeah, I'm like gonna figure everything out. But I'm here at Disneyland literally the day before. Still doing homework before.
No passengers.
In Detroit, that Uber would be like, have a good mindset for this ass.
I can help you.
I don't know, like I'm.
Yeah! So sad, my tooth gem came off. I was literally trying to open up the pineapple with my teeth, and it came off. So like when I go home, I'm gonna tell my tooth gem lady like that it came off. And I was gonna get another one from her. And I'm wearing a wig! I literally haven't vlogged at all because like I've literally been busy doing something. And these are my friends. Oh, she has a wig too! Oh my gosh, I literally just met them. But besties! I literally want to cry right now. I'm so sad! Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm like trying not to cry so like much right now because oh my gosh, all my necklaces are fucking tangled. Love that. But like literally for Harry, his tickets went on sale today at 9 in Cali time. It's like 12 o'clock here in Orlando, and I literally fucking like it says that there's 2,000 plus like in line. So I was like, okay, I'm definitely not. I literally gave up. We are in EDC Orlando. I'm excited. My dude, I'm so mad. Straight up beaner packed this.
Hey, there's 10 fucking people in here.
Oh my gosh.
It's legit. Wait,
I literally had my feet up the whole. Oh my god, this is like my feet are like right here and like we're gonna test this wig. I don't really know what I want to wear. Like it's so cute. Like, oops. Okay, ready? Let's test it. I'm scared. Real quick before I don't have time and I forget this, but literally everyone kept saying that I look like the girl version of Rick because of the cape and my wig because it's literally the same fucking color as his hair. But I am a scientist. We're all heading to the festival right now, and we're in the back seat. We're shy. It's spinning so much. What? Perfect. EDC. Let's go. We got food. What? Let's go. Where are we going? Before the store. All getting posters. We're literally all getting posters.
What?
Yay! I look so oh my gosh, so I have so much to say right now. Literally, my car stopped in the middle of Calabasas on our way to Post Malone's concert. Literally, the fucking tow truck's right behind her now. Literally, I think my car was just overheating because we just turned it on literally as soon as they got here. Having my car break down, I made it! Woo! Post Malone's show at the Forum. The next day I went to Dream State. Day one, I only went one day. Trance isn't really my thing, so I was like, okay, I'm trying something new. I don't think I could do both days, but it was better than I expected. Like, I had more fun than I expected. The music wasn't like, I don't know, I gave it a chance and I ended up liking it. I never hated it or anything, but no, it's like decent to me. But that's what I did. I went to day one of that. So then the next weekend, I went to Never Say Die, and that was also at the Palladium. I believe so. I don't remember, actually. And then the next day, I went to The Circle, which is in Huntington, and I forgot the name of the show. Oh, Rhythm Stole Christmas? I don't remember. I think that was the name of it. Also went to that. Driving right now in the rain and it's fucking pouring, and I look like a mess, but it's fine because I'm gonna change. Look what I found, and I will see them at countdown. Watching my vlog. Sorry, it's like really messy, but I'm trying to get better, and I'm trying to get better at this. Alright, please like and subscribe, and you know, follow me on anything if you want to stay up to date with my life, because as you can tell, I don't really vlog much, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying, okay? Bye! Have a good week, have a good day, whatever you're watching this, just have a good day and smile.